Now, the number one reason thermostats go off is one reason, and you would never think it's this. Okay, this right here, this is a safety switch. So if this is full, if there's water in here, this will turn off your thermostat. So what you need to do is 3 different options. Option number 1 is you want to definitely get a wet dry vac and suck all the water out of here. Number 2, you can pour bleach. Some people do. Some people pour vinegar down here, and that will help take away some of that slimy gook. What I recommend is using one of these AC drain line cleaners. This is Brody's, which is sold on Amazon. It does the job. You have to keep these PVC lines clear all the time. If not, there's going to be buildup. You're going to have a flood in here. This will prevent it from having a flood, but your thermostat will turn off. Number one reason I'm making this video is nobody seems to get the answers right, but I've helped people, many people with this problem. The thermostat, oh, I got to replace my thermostat. No, you don't have to replace your thermostat. You have to suck all the water out of here, and you got to make sure everything is clean. Do what I said, and your thermostat will magically turn on. And that's what you want, so you can have a cool night's sleep. Please make sure to give this video a like.